honey.
Hi.
Where were we just at?
To my appointment.
Your appointment? Where?
Right there.
At the doctor's?
Yeah.
Look here, honey. Can you tell us what happened at your appointment?
What?
What'd they do?
They did measure me.
They measured you and you're tall. You're really tall?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what else did they do at the very end? What did they do to your arm?
They put some band-aids on.
They put some band-aids on after they gave you shots?
Yeah.
Can you show me your band-aids? Oh, man. Did you cry?
No.
You didn't even flinch. You know that?
I haven't even cried.
You didn't even cry?
No.
And you didn't even like care. I'm so proud of you. Give me 5. I just can't believe you didn't even flinch. It was like nothing. Show everyone what you got. You got a lollipop?
Yeah, lollipop.
And a sticker?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so proud of you. Good job. Hi, Adriana.
Hi.
Where are we gonna go right now since you were such a good girl at your doctor's appointment?
We're going to the playground.
We're going to the playground?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah. I have popsicle.
That's not a popsicle, it's a lollipop.
Sorry.
You're a goof. Are you ready to go to the playground?
Yeah.
All right. What do you say?
You gotta go more.
Go more?
A little more. My turn.
You're a goof. Hey,
My turn, Pink.
say bye or peace out or something. What do you want to say?
Peace out.
All right.
Everybody is on. Shots, 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 shots. Everybody! Shots, 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 shots.
So, Adriana got her shots on Thursday. Today is Saturday. And now her arm looks like this. Come on, baby. Come here. Oh, see. Put your arm down. Hi.
Hi.
Let's see. It is beet red. Stop moving, honey. Super swollen. And like, you touch it, and it's like fire. Like, it's literally on fire. Like, I don't even know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's see your other arm. Let me see your other arm.
Fat.
Let me see your other arm. Turn this way. So, you see this arm? That's normal. And then this arm is like super fat and swollen and just beet red. Does it hurt still? Hey, don't do that. Does it hurt still?
No.
No? It doesn't hurt anymore? Come here. Yeah, look at that. Look at the... Go like this with your arms. Stick them straight out. Look at that. I don't even get it. That's so ridiculous.
Dad.
If this does not get better very soon, then... Come here. Come here.
No.
If this doesn't get better soon, you're going to have to go to the doctor and have that looked at. Yeah? Oh. Look at that. Your poor arm. Your poor sweet arm.
Peace out.
Peace out? Do that again.
Peace out. We do free and peace out. Peace out.
3 fingers, peace out?
Yeah.
Hey, can you do double horns? Show me double horns. And show me some head banging.
3 devil horns.
No, show me regular devil horns. And start head banging. Rock on! Go rock on!
Go walk on.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
man. Daddy had an accident at work. Daddy had an accident with a jackhammer.
Don't touch it, Mom.
So what
No, not closer.
How do you feel?
I feel fine. I feel like a 90-pound jackhammer
I
jumped up
feel
and
better. I feel.
Oh, you're gonna make Daddy feel better? Go give him a hug.
bit my foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Oh,
Say ouch, Dad.
don't get closer.
Don't get closer.
No.
Ouch. Say ouch.
Ouch.
It's okay. It'll buff out.
It'll buff out. That's what it looks like this morning. Purple and gross.